Inaba Denko's innovative indoor DSH-Up drain-up hose kit When installing traditional drain-up piping, many cuts and materials must be used to accommodate tight proximities. Not only does this take more time, but also causes potential issues, such as condensation due to insulation attachment failures, water leaks due to multiple connections and cement failures, cracks in piping due to stressed attachments, and difficult maintenance due to fixed cement. Inaba Denko's innovative indoor DSH-Up drain-up hose kit solves these issues while reducing time, materials, and leaks with its flexible drain hose, pre-insulated hose and fittings, and pre-connected hose with transparent fittings. DSH-Up kits come in 3 commonly used options: straight, elbow, and elbow right, and includes thermal insulated drain hose with coupling joint, hose band, thermal insulation covers and adhesive tape, and water leakage check sheet. Contact us to order your DSH-Up drain-up hose kit today.